In order to find and manage sound settings on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all we need to go to settings on our phone, and then over here we should be able to search for the sound and vibration. We should be able to find it quite easily. Now over here at the top we have live caption, which usually by default requires you to be updated, so we can tap on download over here in order to get the live caption, but you can of course turn it on over here and you can find some additional settings below. There is also the ringer mode, so we can choose the ring, vibrate or silent mode depending which one you prefer. We can also toggle vibration on ring, and we have the vibration intensity, so you can adjust how strong the vibration be when someone calls you or if the alarm goes off, and you can also adjust the vibration for new messages and notifications. We can also find the D&D mode, of course. We can turn it on over here or find some additional settings. The volume section, so you can adjust the loudness of media, ringtone, notifications and alarm. There is also the volume button function. Sorry about that. Let's turn it down. We can also find the volume button function, which allows you to use volume buttons to adjust the media volume, or you can use it to adjust the ringtone volume instead. App-specific volume allows you to control how loud specific apps are. So instead of using just one single media volume, you use the app-specific volume. Now, besides that, we can of course change the ringtone. We can set up a different ringtone for SIM number 1 and SIM number 2, or you can of course synchronize SIM number 2 settings with SIM number 1 settings. Besides that, we can do pretty much the same thing with notifications. We can adjust them over here. We can choose the notification sound, or you can adjust even the vibration over here. And in more sounds, we have some system sounds that we can toggle. There is also the clear voice, which allows you to reduce the noise that is generated by the background if you use if you are on a call pretty much. You can also tap on off and on over here in order to see the difference between these two options when it's enabled or disabled actually. There is also the sound effects option, where we can find the sound effect selection. By default we use all reality if no external device is connected, but if you use like headphones or earbuds or whatever, then you can actually change that in here. The all reality sound effect also has a couple of different profiles that you can use depending which one you prefer to use. There is also the holo audio option, which we can turn on quite easily. We can also see the description of this option. And we have haptic settings, so you can toggle system haptics and adjust haptic intensity. In more, we can find some additional settings which are barely touched. So we can choose the recording device for the camera. Usually it is the external microphone if it is available over here, if it's connected of course. We can also play ringtones through headphones, and also we have in-ear monitoring over here, which we can manage quite easy. We can turn it on or off. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.